take over?
Nah.
Come on! What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Super random video. My dad is currently outside. And I'm gonna ask him if he's either down to drive my car, which I'm hoping he is, or if he's at least down to ride in it again. Because last time I gave him a ride in it, I think my car had a boost leak, so it wasn't the fastest. So right now, if I brake boost pretty hard, I know the car will spin. So I would hope that will get a reaction out of him. I hope he doesn't try to act cool for the camera and actually shows his true reaction. But I was gonna set up the GoPro, but I can't find my suction cup, so I'm gonna have to have him hold this camera. So I was hoping to use the GoPro so it could be like more of a raw reaction, but we'll see how this goes. All right, guys, he just said he's gonna drive it. So, but what he doesn't know is that while he's driving it, I'm gonna tell him pull over, and then I'm still gonna get his reaction. So it's gonna be 2 in 1. See how this goes. I'm kind of scared because I don't have a bumper. And one of the last times I drove without a bumper, I got pulled over. I don't know what's taking the guy that painted my lips so long. I literally dropped it off. Not this last Sunday, but the previous Sunday. It's been it's like a week, almost 2 weeks. Yeah, it's been 2 weeks already. Like, bro, you're painting a lip, not a car. Damn, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm kind of nervous to have him drive my car. I want to tell him to floor it, but I don't know. I feel like the car's gonna spin. And I mean, I'm pretty sure you can control it, but it's always scary. Because yeah, I don't think he's ever driven a fast car like that. No, he has not driven my car since it's been boosted. I did post a video of him driving my car, but it was still an A at the time. I think it was still a 91. So the car was obviously like significantly slower. So first cold start in like 3 days, I think, 4 days. It's gonna shut off. So man, you ready? This thing's slow anyways, huh? Alright guys, I'm looking kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little nervous. It feels so weird being on this side of my car. Alright. You have to press it down. Did you press it down? Alright. Stage 3 clutch, see how you do. Hey, not bad. Hey, I'm actually impressed. Whoa, okay, I think I spoke too soon. What are you waiting for, buddy? Just give it gas, boom, 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 boom. Or if you could drive it like that, it's even better. Hey, not bad. Honestly, not bad. Alright, so the last time you drove my car, it wasn't turbo, huh? Make it right, make it right, make it right. Oh. Oh, okay. Kind of starting to regret this. Don't floor it in first gear, okay? You'll break something.
What did he say?
Why did I do this? You can make a left. Hey, that was a rev match without the matching. He just revved it. Stay in the left lane because the right lane's all messed up. Oh, dude, that thing is sick, bro. Hella sick. Oh, look, he has the horns in the back. The heck? Whoa. No clutch. No clutch? Hold up. Stay in second gear. You want? It might spin. Just floor it, but you don't have to shift fast. Just floor it. Just floor it. Oh, hell no. Bro, it spun. that bad. You can do that to the light, huh?
If I kept going forward, it's gonna go that way.
Yeah. You can give it a little hit if you want.
Oh, fuck you.
How much is the third? It won't spin the third. It's right here, just floor it. Make sure it's... Oh, okay. Yeah, that was pretty bad. You didn't crash my car. That's always a plus. Make a left into right here. Huh?
What do you think taught you how to drive?
Thought you or taught you?
Taught.
Not you, buddy. My real dad did. Wait, what? Pull over. Let me take over.
Nah.
Come on.
Suck.
Let me drive it.
No.
Dude, I won't do a pull. I just want to drive it.
No. You drive it when I get home.
Oh my god. Come on, please. Oh my god.
Mira, no clutch.
Alright, that's pretty valid. You drifted for second and third with no clutch. Respect?
No.
I don't need to do that when I have a clutch.
This is fucking
Skill, but he was scared of Florida second.
skill. Right now.
Nah, don't do it right here. Please, please, please.
Nah.
I won't kill you.
No, fuck you.
Just pull over. Please. Please. If you love me.
Alright, dude.
Come on, pull over.
No.
I'm not gonna kill you, dude. Come on. Come on, please. Just pull over. Please.
No, that's what the cop's gonna say. Pull over.
Yeah, and I'll pull over. I'll listen. Come on. Nothing's gonna happen, dude. I won't go that fast. I want you to feel the car spin. That's it. I'll hit third and I'll let go. I won't go fast. I'll do like, I'm not gonna say how fast I'll go, but thank you. You're pulling over. You're a beast. See, I won't go that fast, dude. Really. I want you to feel the car spin. That's it.
Oh, I did.
But I want you to feel it for real. Oh, I just stepped in the puddle. Hurry up.
I don't know how to take this.
Oh, just spin it. Just spin it. This. Yeah, there you go.
The takeoff was fun. The pedal's hard as
Stay straight clutch. You know Eric can't even really drive this car?
No.
Mm-hmm.
So I did better than him?
I think he did. Because he drove it to the, when he worked at a dealership, he drove it into the shop. And I think he stalled like twice. Like, I think he did drive it better than him. Yeah, I was honestly really impressed. Just the only thing that was funny, when you off shift, you rev it. Like, you rev up. You rev match up. That makes sense. Alright. Grab this. You can just like record yourself. Or like down here though, like more like down. There you go. Or like up, like right here. Put it like right here. But like record your face though. Like, there you go. Something like that.
I don't do something stupid, fool.
I'm not. I said I already told you what I'm gonna do. Make the car spin.
Look around too. No. I'm just boy.
Yeah, that's what I got. That's what I got. That's what I got.
This guy is weak.
You guys, what? What?
Weak mother.
I think you got scared because I got scared myself.
That's it.
I'm not.
That's it. No.
I say I'm not doing anything. I'm turning it. laughing, bro, because I know you got scared. And it was only second or third. If I would have hit fourth, you for sure would have hit your pants. But thank you for agreeing to be on camera. That was fun. If you guys want to see more of him on the channel,
give him a thumbs up, man.
Yeah, let me know. I'm trying to buy his old he used to have a, what the heck? I'm trying to buy his old, he used to actually have a 280Z. I'm trying to buy it back because the dude that actually has it is my uncle's nephew or something like that. So I'm trying to see if I could buy it back, and that'd be super sick to have a dad and son build on the channel, bro. Like my dream will be like a RB swap, something crazy like that, but obviously that's like super pricey. But just the point of having the car back would be super sick. So hopefully. Damn, bro, you're fat. You made me scream. All right. Well, once again, thank you.
Gear, put it in gear. You're a fucking rookie ass.
I'm not a rook. I barely even turned the car off. Damn. Anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys will learn whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. So peace out.
Out.